Hi everyone, today's video is going to be an update on my Beatles themed project pan, which we call 8 Days a Week. This is a collaboration with Jessica Payne here on YouTube. I adore her. I think she's great, so go ahead and check her out. I was supposed to post this yesterday and I did not, and I'm really sorry about that. I tried to be really good about posting, especially my collabs, but it just didn't happen yesterday and I apologize. But today we're going to be updating you on this collab. And yeah, Jessica's channel will be linked down below, but let's just go ahead and get into it. So first and foremost, I do have an empty, which is really exciting. For Eleanor Rigby, I finished up the Ulta Brow Gel, the clear one. There seems like there's still like a tiny bit left, but I cannot get it. And I don't want to remove the stopper of a brow gel because that just sounds like a huge mess waiting to happen. But one empty, completely finished. So then I will update you on the 7 that I'm still working on. First, I'm so tired, and for that, I chose the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Marine Boosting Mist. Now, I should have used this up, but I just didn't quite get there. I'm right at the bottom. This is weird, though, because it doesn't spray very well, but there's still a lot in it, so I'm going to keep working on it, try to finish it up. This did lose 4 grams. It went from 20 grams to 16. I definitely feel like I'll have this finished up. I'm not sure about the other 6 items I'm still working on, but I feel like this will definitely be finished by next month. Or by June 18th, which is a Monday. That's when we are updating because that is Paul McCartney's birthday. So it's a little bit less than a month left to go. Next, for Glass Onion, I have the Lorac Pirates of the Caribbean Lip Duo. I have this on today, though I do have a pink lipstick or lip gloss on over it. This is the shade Sparrow, so that's how much I have left. I still have quite a bit left. You can see I went from there to there to there. So I've made a little bit of progress, not a ton, but I'm still working on this. And this does still weigh the same at 36 grams. For One After 909, I chose the Mally Blush Stick from Frozen. And here we are. This is the Elsa one. It's the Feisty blush is what it's called. I've been using this as a cream blush every day I wear makeup. And you can see I've made a little bit more progress. It's consistent but slow progress. Again, I don't feel like this will be finished by next time, but I have definitely gotten a lot of use out of it. This was pretty much brand new when I started, so that's exciting. Next, for I've Just Seen a Face, I have the Trestique Mini Concealer Crayon. I really thought that this would go a lot quicker than it has, but in a good way. I haven't needed that much concealer. I've just been using it under my eyes. You can see I am right there. So again, I don't feel like this will be finished by next time, but I've gotten some more use out of it, which is always exciting. Next, we have Tomorrow Never Knows, and the concealer crayon and the blush stick both weigh the same. So then we have the the Hoola Quickie contour stick for Tomorrow Never Knows. This weighs the same again at 12 grams. But we have a little bit of progress. So there was actually a pink line in between these two, but when I marked it, it kind of got completely covered. So not a ton of progress. I just use this on my cheeks. It's a little bit warm tone for what I really like, but I'm working on it. We're hoping, making progress. Again, I don't feel like this will be finished, but progress. Next, for the word, I have the Stila glitter, and I actually have been able to mark a line. When it's like all settled, you can see that it's about right there. So that's exciting. I haven't been able to mark it before that. I do have it on today. This has lost a gram. It went from 15 grams to 14 grams. Again, really exciting. So yeah, I've been using this and playing with it. I really love these. I think they're great. These are some of my favorite things. And yeah, I've been working on that. And last, for Not a Second Time, I have the Pixi Blush Duo, and I have a picture of where I was last time, so I'll insert that now. And here I am this time. So I think I've made a little bit more progress. I don't know how visible it will be. I haven't yet hit pan. The goal was to completely use this up. I definitely don't think that'll happen, but I do feel like I should be able to hit pan on it, which would be really exciting. I have this, what do you call it? Highlighter on today. It's a very gold yellow highlight, but I do like it. Oops, I just kind of dug the top in a little bit. Do y'all see that? Oops. It's very powdery as well, but I'm thinking I can at least hit pan. So maybe not completely use it up, but hit pan would be good. So that being said, I did have one empty. I've finished up 3 items in all. The goal for the whole project was to finish up 8. Obviously, I don't think that's going to happen, but I'm still going to work on it. I've got, like I said, a little bit less than a month to go. I'm using the USA Today top, or all Beatles songs ranked, and so they have 1 to 188, and we're going to generate number 13. Now, this is very biased towards some of their more like psychedelic stuff. I don't necessarily agree with this list, but that's okay. Oh, While My Guitar Gently Weeps. It's a very good song. Not one of my favorites personally, but it is a very good song. It really showcases George as the lead guitarist, as well as Eric Clapton's in there, so that's pretty cool. So it's talking about crying. So maybe something with the eyes. I didn't even put on mascara, y'all. I forget to put on mascara so often, and it's funny because my mom's favorite makeup product is mascara. So I need to do that. Something with the eyes, maybe. I think I'm going to try... I'm not going to be able to finish up a brow gel. I've only got one, but I've been using a powder in my eyebrows, but maybe I will try to use this little sample of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I mean, that's not very much at all, honestly. So, I think I should be able to finish that up, and that'll be good. I don't have brow product on today either, so I'll do this after the end of this video. So, that's my new item. Like I said, this is the end of this project. I've got a little bit less than a month left. I'm really excited. I've loved collabing with Jessica. So yeah, as always, please leave any questions, requests, suggestions, comments down below. Check out Jessica's channel. It is linked down below. Any video that is relevant will be linked down below. And yeah, I really appreciate you watching, and I'll see y'all real soon. Bye.